Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what this weather does in Grey Garden. It's super cute. I really like the items falling from the sky, and I love that it spawns these tables as well of a Christmas dinner. So it says here, it's time for Christmas dinner, cooking speed 2 times, Christmas recipes return double, and festive tables appear. So I think I'm just going to put in some tomatoes because I really need to cook my tomatoes up. God, I need some tomatoes real quick. Okay, there we go. So the cooking time will be 2 times faster, I guess, as you can see here. So if you want to cook some food, you better cook it when there's this weather. I don't know any Christmas recipes yet. I'm pretty sure there's some in the guide section, possibly. Let's go to food. Okay, so here there's a few new recipes that you are able to cook. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!